to Rachel Rogers TV. I'm Rachel Rogers, and today I'm talking about internet law. This is the last video in my 4-part series entitled The 4 Key Areas of Business Law That Online Entrepreneurs Need to Know. In the first video, we talked about business formation. We talked about the 3 big mistakes that online entrepreneurs make when it comes to starting LLCs, S-corps, and other business entities. In the second video, we talked about contracts, and I covered the 2 legal agreements that every online entrepreneur needs. In the last video, video number 3, we discussed intellectual property. We talked about the 3 steps that online entrepreneurs need to take to protect the intellectual property that you already own. Today, we're going to cover internet law, and specifically, I'm going to talk about privacy policies and the 2 big mistakes that online entrepreneurs make when it comes to privacy policies. So, what the heck is a privacy policy anyway? A privacy policy is a legal document that states a company's or website's policy on collecting and managing the information it receives from its website visitors. This means that if you collect 1 iota of information from website visitors, you've got to have a privacy policy on your site. If you allow users to comment on your blog or sign up for a newsletter, you are collecting private information from your website visitors. So now that you know what a privacy policy is, let's discuss the 2 big mistakes that online entrepreneurs make when it comes to privacy policies. Mistake number 1, not having a privacy policy in the first place. Several states have specific laws governing website privacy policies. Of these, the most robust is California's Online Privacy Protection Act, which requires anyone that operates a website that Californians visit to have a conspicuous privacy policy posted on their website. Now, unless you have some special voodoo that keeps Californians off of your website, you too need to have a privacy policy on your site. Mistake number 2, copying the privacy policy from some other random website. Not only is copying someone else's privacy policy most likely copyright infringement, but it's also not going to bring you into compliance with California's Online Privacy Protection Act. Here's why. COPPA requires that the website operator actually comply with the privacy policy that is posted on its site. This means that if you've got a privacy policy on your site, you need to be following it. The way another website collects and manages website visitors' information may be completely different from the way that you do it in your own business. So you've got to have a privacy policy that is customized to your specific business and the way that you collect and use the information from your website visitors. So don't make these mistakes. Post an up-to-date, customized privacy policy specifically made for your company on your website. And if you decide to draft your own privacy policy, have a lawyer review it for possible errors and omissions. So that's all I've got for you today, my friends. Thank you so much for watching Rachel Rogers TV. Don't forget that the Online Entrepreneur's Non-Confusing Guide to Business Law is opening up this Tuesday. This workshop is going to help you manage the legal side of your business so that you can be more productive and make more money. Subscribe to my mailing list below to be sure to get the special offers that's only going to be available to subscribers when registration opens up on Tuesday. Thank you again for watching Rachel Rogers TV, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.